All right, let's dive into the exciting world of pizza making in 2024. Have you ever wondered how to make your homemade pizza taste just like it's from a restaurant? Well, today I'm going to share with you the secret ingredient that will take your pizza game to the next level. Making pizza at home can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it also comes with its challenges. From getting the perfect crust texture to nailing the toppings, there are a few key hurdles that many home cooks face. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through the process and help you overcome these obstacles. In 2024, we have access to innovative cooking tools and high-quality ingredients that can elevate our homemade pizza game. From smart ovens to artisanal cheeses, the possibilities are endless. So let's roll up our sleeves and get ready to create the perfect pie step by step. Now, here comes the game changer, the key moment that will transform your homemade pizza from ordinary to extraordinary. Get ready to discover the technique or ingredient that will make your pizza truly unforgettable. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind. As we wrap up our pizza making journey, let's recap the key tips and tricks we've covered today. Remember, creativity and experimentation are key in the kitchen, so don't be afraid to try new things and make the recipe your own. With a little bit of practice, you'll be a pizza pro in no time. Now it's your turn to get in the kitchen and give this recipe a try. I'd love to hear about your pizza making adventures, so be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cooking adventures and delicious recipes. Happy cooking!